Hey guys, this is Lawai. You're watching Roots and Rhymes, and today I'm solo hunting in Quebec's Charlevoix region at Zec des Martres, chasing ruffed grouse and spending the night deep in the woods. Let's get into it. So I woke up at 5 this morning. I am all packed. I'm headed to a place in Charlevoix in Quebec called Zec des Martres, and we're going small game hunting. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm excited. I injured my shoulder a couple of weeks ago shooting my bow, so I've decided to take the 12 gauge with me. Hopefully we get some birds. I got some snacks with me. I got some jerky, protein bars, Cliff bars, electrolytes. It's gonna be great. Yeah, anytime I can be in the woods is a good time, so I'm very happy. So I just got here. It's kind of cold outside. Just like that, we're all set. Good old Benelli Supernova, ladies and gentlemen. Small game cartridges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just because we are in bear country. I do have bear spray with me, but I will take a couple slugs with me. You never know. Based on my map, I'm in a good spot. Where are these birds? I see you too. Getting a little too hot. Update, I took my shell off and I feel much better. Every time you start to sweat a little bit, it's important to remove a layer. Still no sign of bird. Gonna keep on walking. Made it back to the car. Took off another layer. Having some jerky. We're gonna go deeper into the woods. I'm actually drive pretty slow because never know when one might turn up. I just saw a bird. Just crossed the road. I'm gonna try to sneak up on it. I got it! Let's fucking go. I just need to get up there. We got meat, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful feathers. I just feel incredibly grateful. So many emotions. To have taken the life of that bird and knowing that it can live on through me. All right, we're in a new spot. Should be some water up ahead. It's actually the Salmon River. So we're gonna slowly walk over there, see if any grouse show up, and finally get a nice drink of water. I made it to the river. I might actually camp here tonight. This looks like the perfect spot. This looks impeccable, actually, right next to the river like this. Oh my God. Look at this. What a privilege to live in Canada and to have such beautiful landscapes like this. Oh, this water tastes amazing. So I'm a little frustrated right now because there's a trail behind me here. I went up it about a couple hundred meters and then I realized that I had forgotten the camera. I left the camera in the car. So I kept going for a little bit and I was like, I'm gonna turn around and go get the camera, right? And on my way back, see one. And then as soon as I shot that one and it dropped down, another one got startled and also flew away, and I was able to take both of them out. So got a couple more here on my DIY game carrier. 2 more down. That's 3 so far. I'm having a blast. I'm going to get these guys out of the sun and go field dress them. This is a spot I'm gonna remember. I marked that in my map. I'm gonna come back here maybe later today or tomorrow and see if I can get some more. Bird one into the cooler. So grateful. I'm so grateful. Into the cooler. Little hearts going in there too. All right, one more bird. Chop the head off and give it just a bit of a clean here. So I just washed all 3 grouse in this little river here, and the water is freezing cold. Temperature seems okay with the meat, but I'm just gonna let it sit in here for a second so it can really ice down. One of my favorite things to do when I'm out in the woods, honestly, is to find a stream like this, grab a seat, and just meditate for a little bit, you know? Take some deep breaths. I found a small trail, and this looks very promising. Look how crazy this is. This tree fell over and it's perfectly parallel to the ground floor. The kickback on the 12 gauge caught me by surprise there. All right, guys, I got 4 birds. I just need 1 more, and that's my daily limit. Sun's going down. I'm gonna give myself another half an hour to hunt, and if I don't get a bird, I'm just gonna go set camp. Earlier on in the day, I decided that I would camp here. So I just pulled up. I'm gonna deploy the tent, and yeah, then it's gonna be time to wind down. Probably going to rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna put this cover on top of the tent. Usually I don't really do that, but because I like to look at the stars or the trees, but yeah, don't want to get wet. So we'll put this bad boy up, deploy a chair. I think I want to sit down. I am tired. It's time to take care of the last bird of the day. So I got 4 today. Could have gotten 5 if I didn't, you know, take my time so much. But I'm trying to make sure I get headshots and not spoil any meat. So I'm gonna go clean this guy up. Then we're gonna have probably some of this Tim Hortons chili. 5:26, about 1 hour left of daylight. So I gotta get going. It's time to go clean this grouse. I'm gonna rinse it off in the river and put it on ice in a Ziploc bag. I'll grab this birch bark. Thank you. What are we gonna do today? Let's just do a cookie. I have cookies, my Nidhogg eyes. I like to carry 2 lighters, ferro rod, stormproof matches. I even got these special pole pin fire starters, and I also have a magnifying glass. Hell yeah. On this episode of Chili Over the Fire, an exclusive look at the chili over the fire. All right, you guys, I'm about to eat my chili. I've changed into my pajamas. Gonna eat some dinner, relax a bit, and just hit the sack. Honestly, I'm so tired. But yeah, what a day, huh? It's kind of funny, all my gear is Nemo. The Nemo Dagger Osmo 3-person tent, the switchback, the Nemo Tensor Extreme, I think it's called, and my sleeping bag is also, this is a Nemo Disco 15. Nemo all the way. Yeah, that's the setup, you guys. Wakey wakey. I just got a message on my inReach. Gonna get up, make myself some tea, and let's go hunting. See you in a bit. Tea time, tea time. Just gonna wait for that to boil, have myself some tea, and pack up in the meantime, and then we're off to the woods. So, I got the tent all packed up, drinking my chai, coffee, tea now. Oh, that's delicious. I feel so rejuvenated, revitalized. I'm ready to go again. Round 2. I don't know, there's something about waking up like this. It's just amazing. I feel like so present when I'm in the woods. That's what it is. It's like you're really in the moment, you know? It's right now. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So here's a breakdown of kind of what I brought. I got some PJs, extra pair of socks, you know, underwear. I have my outer shell. I brought 2 mid layers and then 2 base layers, merino wool. I do have also this bag here on the floor that's with the tent, etc., sleeping bags, sleeping pads, just whatever extra gear I wanted to bring. I just saw one. Yeah, this is like prime territory. So I just did a whole new trail and didn't see a single bird. I mean, I feel like this trail right here is just lacking in young evergreens. It's not enough cover. So far I got 5 birds. See this kind of terrain right here? Bunch of young spruce trees and firs, birch trees around here, a mixture of poplars as well. This is perfect to find grouse. Perfect. This was a large one. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep those feathers Gorgeous grouse. Wow. Woo! So it's about 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna head back home. I got 6 this trip. Looking back at some opportunities, could have probably gotten 8, I would say. 8, 9. They slipped away. Too bad, too bad. I had a lot of fun. Back to civilization. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Roots and Rhymes, and as always, I'll see you in the woods.